Hey everybody, it's Brian back for another video. I wanted to give you a look at my yard. This is what it looks like just coming out of winter. So this is raw and unfiltered. So you're gonna see some things. I get a lot of rain where I'm at and don't typically enjoy being outside doing yard work when it's 36 and raining. So for the most part over winter, we don't do much maintenance. So that means coming out of winter into March and April, we've got a lot of kind of cleanup and maintenance to do. And I also start all the projects that I have as far as moving plants, putting new things in, taking old things out, or some of my experiments that didn't work. We got to close those down and figure out new experiments to do for this year. So here's a tour of the yard and hope you enjoy. So as you can see, there's a lot of work to do to take advantage of spring growing and to get the yard ready to enjoy through the summer and fall. Like and subscribe to see the progress and all of the projects that I get done over the next few months.